Hey everybody, today we had a special friend come in to get an alignment done on his sled before Christmas season's here. Anyways, we were asking him what can we do to help out around the area and to help him this Christmas season. And Santa said to collect some new stuffed animals. And why don't you tell us a little bit what you do with these stuffed animals, Santa?
I like to go to the area hospitals in Council Bluffs and give the kids stuffed animals that are stuck in the hospital on Christmas morning. Nobody wants to be in the hospital on Christmas morning. I go to the pediatrics ward. If there's any newborns, I give them a stuffed animal and a blanket to take and go home with when they actually get to leave the hospital. I also go to the area fire stations and first responders and give them a bag of toys so that they can put them in the ambulance or the fire trucks, so if they ever get called out on something on Christmas morning, they have something to give to the kids.
Oh, it sounds like you're putting great use to the local area with these stuffed animals. And we're going to be running this drive until December 17th. And if anyone comes in for service, we'll take $10 off your bill if you bring some stuffed animals in. Or just stop by and drop off some new stuffed animals so that way Santa can give them to the people who need them most in our area.